Good afternoon. My name is Greg Sinella. I'm the Industrial Product Specialist for Knapheide Manufacturing, and today I'm here to talk about our Knapheide Mechanics Truck, package number 1, affectionately known as a KMT1. So I'd like to just walk around this product with you a little bit and show you some of the features. In the first compartment here, you'll notice we've got a very nice C-Tech drawer unit. Second vertical has shelves for filters and things like that. If you look on top of the compartment here, we've got a Boss 40 CFM air compressor. You'll notice that we have a 4300 series spotlight on each corner. Also, one of the features that we have built into our body is this equipment riser on the top of the compartment. What this allows us to do is mount several different pieces of equipment without actually having to drill down through the top of the body. In the horizontal compartment here, we have a bolt bin so that the user can take that drawer right out to wherever he's working and pull the equipment right out of that particular drawer. The street side rear compartment, again, is just additional storage with a couple of shelves. You'll also notice this little box right here on the latch on the inside. That is our electronic keyless remote activator that is on the T-handle. Coming around the back of the truck, you'll notice that we've got a nice workbench bumper with a built-in step. Right next to that, we've got the master lock system with our new poly-coated handle, so it's a little easier on the user's hands, much easier to put a lock into. We have our Knapheide tail light with a reflector. Coming around this side here, we've got the tailgate, single-handed operation. Allows the user to get into the back of the truck and use those 6 tie-downs inside. Another nice feature on the unit is we've got 50 feet of half-inch hose tied to that air compressor we spoke about earlier. You'll notice that there's a gap in between the crane compartment and the rest of the body. There's about a half-inch gap here, and that's because we have a torque-isolated crane compartment. This compartment is actually tied into what we call our torsion box understructure, which takes the forces from the crane, puts them into the bottom of the outrigger tube and right into the ground. In this particular model, we actually have a new control. It's called CDT Pro, and basically what it allows the user to do is he can figure out how much weight he's able to pick without even taking the crane out of the saddle from a stowed position. Inside, you'll see our levers here for our outriggers. This outrigger will come out 3 feet and then go down. The other side just simply goes down to set the crane and stabilize the truck. This box basically is a master switch that turns everything on and off, so we can shut the entire truck down by one switch. This compartment, we basically have open storage, but we could put anything in there from a C-Tech drawer unit to a drawer slide to make things easier for you. You'll see that this compartment has just a couple of shelves in it, and then we've got your traditional compartment here, complete with holders for oxygen and acetylene tanks and tie-downs. As far as the crane on this particular unit, it's an 8630. It's an 8,000-pound crane with 30 feet of reach. If you'd like to learn more about the KMT1, you can contact your distributor or you can visit our website.